What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So a lot of people want to find a way to make their backgrounds pop a little more and have it in dark mode as much as possible. This isn't just aesthetically pleasing personally, this also does help battery life. For all these displays that light up individual pixels now, the darker ones don't need to light up, so just logically it does help the battery out in that sense. And if you're one of these people that want it just for looks or battery life improvements, this is a quick 3-minute fix. If that'll give you that look you want. First things first, you're going to want to go into settings and then look for display and brightness. And the first option you're going to need, and I should preface this with, you do need to be on iOS 26.2 for this, and that is liquid glass. When you go into liquid glass, you're going to want to change it from clear to tinted to make that background look ever so slightly darker. And that's going to be your first step. After that, you're going to then go into accessibility and then look for display and text sizes. And here is where you're going to find the remaining aspects of what you want to change. First things first, you're going to want to say show borders, and you can see exactly what that did right here around the back arrow. If you unselect it and select it, you can see it gives it a little white ring. And then you're going to want to turn reduced transparency on and then increased contrast. And then when you do this and pull down, you can see just the difference in those notifications. They have those borders around it, and it is much, much darker. And then if you go out, you can just see the dock is now darker, the widgets themselves are darker, and everything just gives it off a darker vibe. This is definitely going to help with battery life if you are experiencing battery issues. For me personally, on my iPhone Air, I haven't had many issues, but this does have a smaller battery, and this could help save battery life as well. As your notifications come in, you will obviously get them sectioned off a little differently with those new border graphics, which I do really like. Aside from that also, if you wanted, you can also go into your settings and then display and brightness again, and make sure you just keep it on light or dark mode all the time instead of changing per time of day or on automatic. And you can see then you still have less dynamic kind of a look to it. You can see it's more grayed instead of black, but it's less transparent and definitely will still give you different looks throughout the day if you do want it on light mode. For obviously the purpose of this video, we're going to keep it on dark mode just so you can truly see how dark it can get. I think, again, it's a great look, but it's just my personal opinion. Again, this whole video is about 3 minutes long, and it is not going to take you guys too long to set this up if you'd like. If you want any other tips and tricks on iOS 26.2 or 26.3, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you turn this on and how much you like the improved look. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.